Hey, what's up, guys? D Squared Gaming here. Just doing my second video. I thought I'd do something a little more casual. Hearthstone, um, pretty popular game. Um, I mean, if you're watching this video, you probably know what it is. So, I mean, yeah, I can just get started. Um, my rank's not the most. I mean, I wouldn't be proud of it, but I guess today I'm just going to be playing on my Druid deck. Um, it's basically works on board clear, like clearing the board and then kind of converting that into my power, like into me. So like all my minions have like death rattles that when they die they come back to life as something stronger or summon two of weaker things. So I kind of have, or just spawning random lots of minions and then wipe the whole board of these weak minions and replace them with um, some stronger minions. So, I mean, that's a really shitty explanation, but I mean, yeah, like you'll see, you'll see. Always, oh, just my luck. Now I've put this card in my deck because like I want it for late game. Doesn't really synergize well with the deck, but I just want it for late game because I find if they if my card, like if I can't get cards out fast enough to be able to make my row, then to like kind of clear and then reset and do my initial pump damage, I need something to hold me. So I put this in for late game, but this is literally the first time I've ever drawn it out of like the 10 times I've played this hand, and quite honestly, I draw it the first turn. Just my luck. Always be nice. My greetings. And then threaten them right as you win. Or lose. Whichever situation. Just always remember to threaten. I mean, that's interesting. Didn't even notice he done that. That's fine though. So I'll just put this out. And then I can do the same thing. So I mean, no worries. Uh-oh, here comes the big guns. I mean, stacking HP. This will be more annoying later, but so what I want to be able to do is play these the same turn. So summon 5 wraiths or wisps. I don't know why I said wraiths, and then turn them all into 2/2 Trents, and then yeah, I mean it's pretty self-explanatory why you'd want to do that. Not to mention if they have like anything powerful in their hand, like obviously this would be a good trade to a 2/2 instead of a 1/6. was kind of dumb. It's kind of a waste. Should just let him take the 2 damage. I don't like Mind Blast as a card. I don't know, 5 damage is pretty good for two crystals, but I just think there's more synergenic, if that's a word, yeah, synergenic cards. Yeah, so I'm kind of new with this deck. Kind of a newer concept to me. I'm not liking how I'm getting all of my cards right now, but it should be fine as long as I can. Actually, I don't know why I did that. I could have thrown that out there. That would have given me a lot of time. Meh. Huh. I think I will do that though. Actually, I think they'll have a hard time removing that, so I'll just sort of that out there. Because I want to save this for when I hit 8, because then I can do this combo. Right? And then that replaces them with the Trance, and then next turn I can give them the Death Rattle. So if they die, they just come back to life, which is solid. Huh. 2, and then 2. Okay, that's how I was going to do it. Works for me though. That was really more of just a filler legendary. What was that? 3 for 1? Works for me. He doesn't even know yet. He doesn't even know. Summon 5. Getting 2 mana crystals. Place almonds. Yeah, what now, guy? Unless he's got that Holy Nova card, which he probably does because, let's be real, all priests have it and he's got enough mana. But, who knows, maybe I'm lucky. This guy. Oh, yes. Pump it right in. Don't get rid of any of my trees. Alright, so here's how we're gonna do this. Okay. Do that. Somebody throw another one. Another one. God damn it. There we go. Another one. Another one. And then the rest is just sweet, sweet damage. And then what I've got sitting here is pretty good, because if puts anything really strong, I just need to clear one of these. And then I can sound, that's, I mean, I'll probably ignore that. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 damage right to his face. I'll get that one. This one. What I will do though is I will proc. Oh, why'd I use that one though? Shit. Fucked up. Whatever. Still works out. Get that out of the way. So I wanted to throw that out and then do that. See, it's still, yeah. So. Don't fuck with my forest. This is my swamp, donkey. I mean, I just won because he's can't count, so that's a little sad. But I want to play around with it a bit more. It's so upsetting. That's okay. It worked out. Like, I love this feed. I mean, yeah, that's basically the deck I wanted to show you guys. I guess tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, comment away to your heart's content. Thanks for watching, guys.